TikTok Lite, creating an account, avoid this mistake. So, if you're creating yourself a TikTok Lite account, avoid this mistake. So, avoid choosing the wrong or what they call this, the wrong what they call this email or phone number right when you are signing up to create yourself a TikTok Lite account, because that is one of the causes on making an account that will not work, because you would need to verify your account using that email or phone number. Second thing is, this is my second account right here. So I've learned that the second thing is, when you're gonna create yourself a TikTok Lite account right here, is make sure to check everything. If you're using Gmail, check the spam, check the email there. If it's still not like, for example, if it's still not there or whatnot, I suggest waiting a bit and restarting your app. Don't, like, for example, click on resend. So this is what happened to me last time. So when I created this account, so click on resend. I click on resend verification, and it sent me the first verification code. So I inputted it in, and when I input it in, it got rejected. Then I click on resend. Then it sent me the second code that I've resended, and when I input it in, it it failed me. So if you keep on continuing that, TikTok might restrict your account. So I suggest, if that ever happens to you guys, just try to be patient, just wait it out. If it's still not working, try maybe a few minutes, relax, and try again your email. Then keep on trying, and then find a good signal. Always find a good signal when you're verifying your account. But yeah, there you guys, it's about it. We guys enjoy the fun. Of course, guys, have the guys. I've touched as soon as possible, and thank you guys.